In case you have not worked with influencers before, you must be wondering what a content brief is. The secret ingredient for a successful marketing campaign is how well you communicate with the influencers that you work with. A campaign brief is a tool for you to just do that. A campaign brief is nothing but a document, presentation, or even a video that you give to the influencer before the starting of your campaign that details out every information that is required of them. The brief will typically highlight details like campaign theme, objectives, deliverables, timelines, and posting schedule. In short, a campaign brief is everything a brand would like an influencer to know about the campaign. Consider a content brief as the foundation of your campaign. It is a critical piece in your influencer marketing strategy. Preparing a well structured campaign brief benefits not only the influencers but also the brand by keeping their objectives and deliverables clear and collaborations organized. A comprehensive content brief will clearly set campaign objectives, set the right content expectations with the influencers, keep the brand and influencer on the same page at all times, set measurable campaign goals, serves as a contract for the influencer, saves a lot of time. Also, once you create your first campaign brief, you can always use it as a template for later future campaigns, saving a lot of time. There is not a single template that each company or brand uses. Each brand has to create its own campaign brief that best serves its requirements. After years of being in this industry and executing hundreds of campaigns, we have identified some major components that should be in each campaign brief. Brand introduction. Introduce your brand to the influencers. Tell them about your products. This will help the influencer understand your brand better. Explain who you are, what you would like to promote, and why the influencer should work with you. This is the best place to get them excited about working with you. Laying out this overview concisely will give influencers a clear idea about what they need to do. They'll then be able to create content that conveys the message you want to share. Content deliverables. Tell your influencers what kind of content pieces they need to create here and how many. Specify the number of pictures, videos, or posts that are needed of them. Timeline and posting schedule. Distinctly mention the campaign timelines. The date on which you want to go live, which post is supposed to go live when. This will also include timelines for content review, content approval, and for how long you are going to measure the performance for. This will help the influencers to plan and create their content accordingly. Social media platform to be used. Mention which platform you will be running your campaign on. For example, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. Content theme, description, and messaging. An in-depth description of your campaign goes here. Go into details such as the messaging, the quality, and the type of content you require. You can even suggest captions and titles the post should have. Hashtags and links. Give trackable links and hashtags for the influencers to use with their content here. This part is essential for you to measure the success of the campaign. Call to actions. Mention what you want the influencer's audience to do. Example, swipe up, check out your products, comment, etc. Do's and don'ts and other hygiene guidelines. Give clear quality guidelines to the creators. What kind of messaging to use, what words to avoid. Inform the influencers of the quality of the content you are expecting, both audio and visual. You can also mention whether you want the creators to mention your competitors or not, etc. Sample content or mood board. Give concrete ideas of the kind of content you're looking for. Provide them with example posts you like or reference content. You can also include suggestions for topics they can create content around. This will give them a clear picture of the aesthetic and the messaging of the content they need to create and spark some inspiration. Payments and legal disclaimers. Be clear about the payment details, mode of payment, and the payment timelines. Mention if you will be sending products. Also mention content usage rights and disclaimers that you want them to follow. Here are some tips of creating your own content brief. Be clear and precise in the information you provide. Keep it short, make it interesting. Avoid long paragraphs. Don't change the brief again and again. And give influencers enough freedom to explore their creativity. A great brief is the one that will give the influencer the clearest picture of the campaign. It should be able to set clear expectations and understanding between the two parties. If you get your content brief right, 50% of your job is done. If you still need help creating a content brief, you can use our Winkle Campaign Manager to create a perfect one. Schedule a demo with us.